Welcome to our deep dive into production planning and control, often abbreviated as PPC. In the world of operations management, PPC stands as a critical function that ensures manufacturing processes run smoothly and efficiently. It's the backbone that connects planning, scheduling, and controlling of production activities. By understanding PPC, organizations can optimize resource utilization, minimize waste, and meet customer demands on time. Throughout this video, we'll explore the core concepts, practical applications, and the impact of PPC on business success. Let's begin by understanding what PPC really means and why it's so vital in today's competitive environment. Production planning and control is the process of organizing, directing, and regulating the production process from start to finish. It involves determining what to produce, when to produce, and how much to produce, all while ensuring resources are used efficiently. PPC bridges the gap between market demand and manufacturing capacity, aligning production schedules with business goals. By setting clear objectives and monitoring progress, PPC helps companies stay agile and responsive to changes in demand or supply chain disruptions. This foundational understanding sets the stage for exploring the key functions of PPC. Main objectives of production planning and control revolve around achieving maximum efficiency and meeting customer requirements. PPC aims to ensure the right quantity and quality of products are produced at the right time, using the least amount of resources. It strives to minimize production costs, reduce inventory levels, and eliminate bottlenecks. By doing so, PPC not only boosts productivity, but also enhances customer satisfaction. These objectives guide every decision made within the production process, from scheduling to resource allocation. Production planning and control encompasses several key functions that work together to streamline operations. These include forecasting demand, planning production schedules, managing inventory, and controlling the flow of materials. Each function plays a vital role in ensuring that production targets are met without unnecessary delays or excess costs. By coordinating these activities, PPC creates a seamless workflow that supports organizational goals and adapts to market changes. Accurate demand forecasting is the starting point for effective production planning. By analyzing historical data, market trends, and customer orders, companies can predict future demand for their products. This information guides decisions on what to produce and in what quantities. Reliable forecasting helps prevent overproduction or stockouts, ensuring that resources are allocated efficiently and customer needs are met promptly. Once demand is forecasted, the next step is production scheduling. This involves creating detailed plans that specify when and how each product will be manufactured. Scheduling takes into account machine availability, labor capacity, and material supply. Effective scheduling ensures that production runs smoothly, deadlines are met, and resources are not wasted. It's a balancing act that requires constant adjustment as conditions change. Inventory management is a crucial component of PPC. It involves tracking raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods to ensure that the right materials are available when needed. Proper inventory management reduces carrying costs, avoids production delays, and prevents excess stock. By maintaining optimal inventory levels, companies can respond quickly to changes in demand while minimizing waste. Material control ensures that the right materials are delivered to the right place at the right time. This function coordinates the movement and storage of materials throughout the production process. Effective material control minimizes waste, reduces handling costs, and supports uninterrupted production. It requires close collaboration between purchasing, warehousing, and production teams. Routing is the process of determining the path that materials and products will follow through the production system. It specifies the sequence of operations, machines, and workstations required to complete a product. Proper routing ensures efficient use of resources and helps avoid bottlenecks. It also provides a clear roadmap for workers and supervisors, making the production process more predictable and manageable. Loading refers to assigning specific jobs to machines or work centers based on their capacity. Scheduling then determines the order and timing of these jobs. Together, loading and scheduling ensure that resources are used effectively and production deadlines are met. This process requires careful analysis of capacity, priorities, and potential conflicts to maintain a smooth workflow. Dispatching is the process of issuing orders and instructions to begin production activities. It involves communicating schedules, providing materials, and ensuring that workers have the information they need to start their tasks. Effective dispatching keeps production on track and helps resolve issues quickly. It acts as the bridge between planning and execution, turning plans into action. Follow-up and expediting are essential for monitoring progress and addressing delays in the production process. Follow-up involves tracking the status of jobs and ensuring that schedules are being met. Expediting focuses on resolving bottlenecks or urgent issues that could disrupt production. Together, these activities help maintain control over the production process and ensure timely delivery of products. Inspection and quality control are vital functions within PPC. They ensure that products meet specified standards and customer expectations. Regular inspections help identify defects early, allowing for corrective actions before products reach customers. Quality control not only protects the company's reputation, but also reduces costs associated with rework or returns. Feedback mechanisms are crucial for continuous improvement in production planning and control. By collecting data on performance, quality, and efficiency, companies can identify areas for improvement. Continuous improvement initiatives such as lean manufacturing or Six Sigma rely on feedback to drive positive change. This ongoing process helps organizations stay competitive and responsive to market demands. Technology plays a transformative role in modern production planning and control. Advanced software systems automate scheduling, inventory management, and data analysis, making PPC more efficient and accurate. Technologies like ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, and MES, Manufacturing Execution Systems, integrate various functions, providing real-time visibility and control over production activities. Embracing technology helps companies adapt to changing market conditions and improve overall performance. ERP systems are comprehensive software platforms that integrate all aspects of production planning and control. They centralize data, streamline communication, and automate routine tasks. With ERP, companies can coordinate purchasing, production, inventory, and sales more effectively. This integration reduces errors, improves decision-making, and enhances overall efficiency in the production process. Manufacturing Execution Systems, MES, provide real-time monitoring and control of production activities. MES connects the shop floor with management, enabling instant feedback and quick adjustments. This real-time capability helps companies respond to issues as they arise, maintain quality standards, and optimize resource utilization. MES is a key tool for achieving agile and responsive production operation. Lean manufacturing principles are closely aligned with the goals of production planning and control. Lean focuses on eliminating waste, improving flow, and maximizing value for customers. By applying lean techniques such as just-in-time production and continuous improvement, companies can enhance the effectiveness of their PPC systems. Lean and PPC together create a culture of efficiency and responsiveness. Six Sigma is a methodology that aims to improve quality by reducing defects and variability in processes. In the context of PPC, Six Sigma tools help identify root causes of problems and implement effective solutions. By focusing on data-driven decision-making, Six Sigma enhances the reliability and consistency of production outcomes. Integrating Six Sigma with PPC leads to higher quality and customer satisfaction. Implementing effective production planning and control brings numerous benefits to organizations. These include improved resource utilization, reduced lead times, lower production costs, and enhanced product quality. Effective PPC also increases flexibility, allowing companies to adapt quickly to changes in demand or supply chain disruptions. Ultimately, PPC contributes to higher profitability and stronger competitive advantage. Despite its many benefits, production planning and control also faces several challenges. These include inaccurate forecasts, supply chain disruptions, equipment breakdowns, and changing customer preferences. Managing these challenges requires flexibility, strong communication, and continuous improvement. By anticipating potential problems and developing contingency plans, companies can maintain effective PPC even in uncertain environments. Production planning and control is applied across a wide range of industries, from manufacturing and automotive to pharmaceuticals and food processing. Each industry has unique requirements and challenges, but the core principles of PPC remain the same. By tailoring PPC systems to specific industry needs, companies can achieve optimal results and maintain a competitive edge. Manufacturing, PPC ensures that production lines operate efficiently and products are delivered on time. It coordinates the flow of materials, schedules machine usage, and monitors quality at every stage. By integrating PPC with advanced manufacturing technologies, companies can achieve higher productivity and lower costs. Manufacturing remains one of the most prominent fields for PPC application. Production planning and control is not limited to manufacturing. In service industries, PPC helps manage resources, schedule staff, and deliver consistent service quality. Whether it's healthcare, hospitality, or logistics, PPC ensures that services are delivered efficiently and customer expectations are met. The principles of planning, scheduling, and control are just as important in services as in manufacturing. Production planning and control is closely linked to supply chain management. Effective PPC relies on timely delivery of materials and components from suppliers. By coordinating with supply chain partners, companies can reduce lead times, minimize inventory, and respond quickly to changes in demand. Strong integration between PPC and supply chain management is essential for operational excellence. Project-based industries, such as construction and engineering, also benefit from production planning and control. PPC helps manage project schedules, allocate resources, and monitor progress. By applying PPC principles, project managers can ensure that milestones are achieved on time and within budget. This alignment between PPC and project management supports successful project delivery. Human resources play a vital role in production planning and control. PPC involves scheduling shifts, assigning tasks, and ensuring that the right people are available when needed. Effective HR management supports smooth production flow and helps address labor shortages or skill gaps. By integrating HR planning with PPC, companies can optimize workforce utilization and maintain high productivity. Cost control is a major objective of production planning and control. By optimizing resource use, reducing waste, and improving efficiency, PPC helps lower production costs. Cost control measures include monitoring material usage, minimizing downtime, and streamlining processes. Effective cost control contributes to higher profitability and long-term business sustainability. Meeting customer expectations is a central goal of production planning and control. By ensuring timely delivery, consistent quality, and reliable service, PPC enhances customer satisfaction. Satisfied customers are more likely to become repeat buyers and recommend the company to others. PPC's focus on quality and efficiency directly impacts the customer experience. Sustainability is becoming increasingly important in production planning and control. PPC supports sustainability by minimizing waste, optimizing resource use, and reducing environmental impact. Sustainable practices such as recycling and energy efficiency are integrated into PPC systems. By prioritizing sustainability, companies can meet regulatory requirements and appeal to environmentally conscious customers. Risk management is an integral part of production planning and control. PPC helps identify potential risks such as supply disruptions or equipment failures and develop contingency plans. By proactively managing risks, companies can maintain stable operations and avoid costly interruptions. Effective risk management is essential for long-term business success. Innovation drives continuous improvement in production planning and control. By adopting new technologies, processes, and management practices, companies can enhance the effectiveness of their PPC systems. Innovation enables faster response to market changes, better resource utilization, and improved product quality. Embracing innovation keeps companies ahead of the competition. Globalization has expanded the scope and complexity of production planning and control. Companies now operate in international markets, requiring coordination across multiple locations and time zones. PPC systems must adapt to global supply chains, diverse regulations, and cultural differences. Effective global PPC ensures consistent quality and timely delivery worldwide. Digital transformation is reshaping production planning and control. Technologies like artificial intelligence, IoT, and big data analytics enable smarter decision-making and greater automation. Digital tools provide real-time insights, predictive analytics, and enhanced collaboration. By embracing digital transformation, companies can achieve higher efficiency and agility in their PPC processes. Data analytics is a powerful tool for production planning and control. By analyzing production data, companies can identify trends, forecast demand, and optimize processes. Data-driven decision-making leads to more accurate planning, better resource allocation, and improved performance. Analytics also supports continuous improvement and innovation in PPC. Effective communication is essential for successful production planning and control. Clear communication ensures that everyone involved understands their roles, responsibilities, and schedules. It helps prevent misunderstandings, resolve conflicts, and keep production on track. Strong communication supports collaboration and teamwork across departments. Collaboration between departments is key to effective production planning and control. PPC requires input from sales, purchasing, production, and logistics teams. By working together, departments can align goals, share information, and solve problems more efficiently. Collaboration leads to better decision-making and stronger organizational performance. Performance measurement is a critical aspect of production planning and control. By tracking key performance indicators, KPIs, companies can assess the effectiveness of their PPC systems. Common KPIs include production efficiency, lead time, inventory turnover, and quality rates. Regular performance measurement supports continuous improvement and helps achieve business objectives. Flexibility is essential for effective production planning and control in today's dynamic business environment. PPC systems must adapt to changes in demand, supply chain disruptions, and new technologies. Flexible PPC enables companies to respond quickly to challenges and seize new opportunities. Building flexibility into PPC processes ensures long-term success. Capacity planning is a vital part of production planning and control. It involves determining the production capacity needed to meet demand. By analyzing capacity, companies can avoid overloading resources or underutilizing equipment. Effective capacity planning supports smooth operations and helps balance supply with demand. Resource allocation ensures that materials, labor, and equipment are assigned where they are needed most. In PPC, effective resource allocation maximizes productivity and minimizes waste. It requires careful planning and ongoing adjustment as conditions change. By optimizing resource allocation, companies can achieve higher efficiency and better results. Workflow optimization is a key goal of production planning and control. By analyzing and improving workflows, companies can eliminate inefficiencies, reduce lead times, and increase throughput. Workflow optimization involves mapping processes, identifying bottlenecks, and implementing best practices. Continuous workflow improvement supports overall business performance. Change management is essential for successful production planning and control. As companies implement new systems, technologies, or processes, effective change management ensures smooth transitions. It involves communicating changes, training employees, and addressing resistance. Strong change management supports the long-term success of PPC initiatives. Strategic planning aligns production planning and control with overall business goals. By integrating PPC with strategic objectives, companies can ensure that production supports long-term growth and competitiveness. Strategic planning involves setting priorities, allocating resources, and monitoring progress toward goals. This alignment drives organizational success. Conclusion: production planning and control is a cornerstone of effective operations management. It integrates planning, scheduling, and control to achieve efficiency, quality, and customer satisfaction. As technology evolves and markets change, PPC will continue to adapt, incorporating new tools and best practices. By mastering PPC, organizations can build resilient, agile, and successful operations for the future.